Can you grow a faceless YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers in 1 week? I'm starting a faceless YouTube channel to test the algorithm, see how fast it will grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and how many views it will earn in the first 1 week. Let's see if YouTube will monetize my channel within 1 week. I'll reveal the secrets and free AI tools I'm using to test this challenge and share tips to make your faceless YouTube channel thrive. The last one is a game changer. In the past 1 year, I have watched over 200 hours of faceless videos on YouTube, and therefore, I have decided to dive in and try it too. There is nothing like luck in YouTube algorithm, and this is why I'm sharing these tips with you. In this AI revolution, we have a variety of free tools to use, of which we are going to explore today in different categories. That's script writing, voiceover, automation, and editing. There are several steps to follow in order to make an eye-catching video and encourage your audience to click and watch your videos. Every video you upload on YouTube is advertised to your audience by its title and its thumbnail. There are several AI tools best for making thumbnails, and the best I know is Canva online program, but more on this later. Creating a video thumbnail should be the first thing you do after you have made your mind on the idea of the video you're going to make, but let's talk about niches first. According to Google, a YouTube niche is the main topic or category that a content creator focuses on in their videos. For example, this video is based on faceless YouTube channels and AI. AI is the main niche of my channel, but also the YouTube game. Making a killer thumbnail is just but a part of the game, and your video must also be well crafted to make sure that your audience don't quit watching. About 80% of videos uploaded to YouTube don't make it to 1,000 views. This means that about only 5% of YouTubers make to reach 1,000 subscribers and 1% make to 10,000 subscribers. All the big YouTubers you know have slowly grown trying different tricks in each and every video, most of them with a 9-to-5 paycheck until they made sure that their channels were making enough money for them, some uploading 1 video per week and others 1 video per month. Being consistent in YouTube is not bad, but it is good when only you have a nice and well-edited video to upload. And I'm going to show how in a bit, but let's first deal with the first 30 seconds of your video. With the best title and thumbnail in the world for your video, YouTube algorithm is going to show your content to your potential audience who will click and start watching. If the first 30 seconds don't rhyme with the thumbnail, about 50% of them will feel that their time is being wasted and quit, since there are a million similar videos on YouTube. Make sure your video has the shortest intro possible or no intro, and whatever you show on your thumbnail matches the first 30 seconds of the video, not forgetting the hook. Let's talk about it. When making a YouTube video or any video targeting a specific audience, you have to keep them watching, and the best way to ensure that is to hook them with a promise, a statement, or a question that you must give the answer somewhere in the middle of the video or at the end of the video. Never tell your audience to subscribe. It sucks. Instead, you might tell them to like if the video has any benefit to them or stick to the end of this video, and I'll tell you what to tell them. Now that we are done with the thumbnail and the video intro, what else do you need to make your video outstanding amongst a million of them? A well-edited video. There is no better video editing software than CapCut right now. Any beginner can use CapCut and make a watchable video, but your effort to editing will always give you better results, but without a good audio, your video won't go far, and that's why this next tool is going to change your voice forever. Traditionally, Audacity was the ideal software for audio recording, since it is free, but AI came and changed everything. You don't have to record your audio anymore since AI voice generator sites are all over. The best of all is 11 Labs and Murph AI. These AI tools are not hard to use, and they are straightforward to us. They have various voices to choose from, including male, female, old, and young voices. 11 Labs AI has a kind of dominance in the AI voice generation, which has made it one of the best voice generators currently. But you still have not written your script yet. And that's where vidIQ and Jasper AI come in. Let's see how they work. Jasper AI and vidIQ are powerful AI-powered tools that can significantly enhance a YouTuber's workflow. Jasper excels at generating creative content, such as scripts, video descriptions, and engaging introductions, freeing up creators from writer's block. Meanwhile, vidIQ focuses on optimizing videos for YouTube's algorithm, providing data-driven insights into keyword research, competitor analysis, and audience engagement. By combining the creative spark of Jasper with the data-driven optimization of vidIQ, YouTubers can streamline their content creation process, increase their videos' visibility, and ultimately grow their channels more effectively. I promise to give you the latest updates in the AI world in the next video. If this video has been helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And to learn more on each of these tools mentioned, click this video.